Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Okay. Well, thank you so much for coming back here. Well, and yes, everything should be good now. Let's see. Hopefully everything is nice and good. Okay, thank you so much for your wait. And today I'm back here for the live streaming. Yeah. Hi Marcus, nice to see you here. Thank you. All right. So today I'm here, but unfortunately, I think we cannot have music. All right, because I'm using this platform. They were saying that using this and I'm unable to play any music. All right. So anyway. I think that's not important. Okay, so let's quickly get into this. Hi MK, nice to see you. Thank you so much. All right. Okay, let's get into our MT4 over here. Yeah, and let's see. Well, let's see what do we have here. Well, you can see me, right? Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so. Right now, okay, let me know if the resolution is okay. All right, do let me know if the resolution is all right, okay? Yeah. Is my voice okay? Do let me know as well. Ooh. Okay. Yep. All right. Okay. So currently, okay, let's see. Good. Okay. Thank you, Marcus. Thank you very much. Okay. So is everything is good, huh? Yeah. Well, that's nice. That's nice. Well, okay. Looks like all is good. So let's go. Right, first of all, I think I have been away for quite a while, so let me quickly go through what are we going to take a look at all. Okay, so first of all, let me see. What is this? Well, I hope everything is good. All right. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? All right. Can you hear me? I hope you can hear me. Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, it's good. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Fantastic. All right. Can. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. So let's see. Aussie cat. Let's take a look at Aussie cat. Huh? So let me screen around. Okay, let me screen around. Screen around my screen. Okay. So Aussie cat. I think let's take a look at the day one over here. Let's quickly. Okay. So same thing here. Okay. What am I going to do is that over at this part here. Okay. Yeah, so over at this point here, we can see that it's actually a downward trend. Okay, over at this part. Right, excellent. Huh? Okay, very good. Well, nice. Okay, today we can see that this is a downward trend over here and over at this point here. So at this point here, since it's a downward trend, at this point here, I'm going to take a check on the support. And tentatively, let me see. Let me draw this down first before I go down to the details. Okay. Well, today, guys, take it as I'm also having a testing on this okay, because last week I was testing and my IT guys was telling me what to do. All right. Okay, so yep, let's see. Since we are in the bear, okay, tentatively, we can see that over here we have tested on the resistance a few rounds and it's not breaking. And after that, it started to swing down. Am I right? Okay, so in this case over here, right, since we are looking into this selling over here, then we may also want to see that there is enough resistance. Okay, there is enough resistance for us to sell down. At this area here, you can see that we tested for a few rounds. Am I right? Okay, we tested for a few rounds. So after testing for a few rounds, now currently, what I'm looking at is that the selling is actually from here. Okay, we can see we have tested this. Okay, there's some rejections here, rejections from the resistance, and we created one lower highs here. Okay, these lower highs I think are pretty okay, where now we are looking into a selling for the Aussie CAD. All right, so let's move down into the H1 as I can see here, where now the resistance actually coming in, and we can see there's one support area over into this area here. So it looks like it's pretty near to the support. Am I right? Okay, over here we are pretty near to the support. So when it's pretty near to the support, I would suggest that probably we may want to see from now, we only left about 9 to 10 pips. Okay, 9 to 10 pips. So in this case, okay, I would say that probably from here, 9 to 10 pips of space here, 6 pips only actually. I would suggest that we can wait for it to break below the support, retest, and then we will have a very good space down there for about 25 pips. Okay, for about 25 pips there. All right. Okay, so Aussie CAD is one that we can take note. Okay, we can take note for this Aussie CAD, and then from there, okay, from there then we will take a look how it goes, because I see, as I can see for Aussie CAD, we still have plenty of liquidity down here to take. So overall, as I can see, we should have about 80 over pips in total, but from here to here we have about 50. Okay, so we still have quite a good space down there. All right, yeah. Okay, so that's for the Aussie CAD. I think okay, well, not this way. Let me type it out. Okay, let me type it out. Okay, Aussie CAD. Yeah. Wow, well done, Wasim. AUTP 5 pips. Congratulations. Okay. Good job. Okay. Very good. Okay, so next to go, I think Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc is in the downward trend, but today it looks like we are actually going into somewhere, the support is actually there, pushing out and looking for a resistance. Okay, let's check on this resistance. All right, let's check. All right, yes, as we can see over here, a range of resistance here. Yeah, okay, this range of resistance here. Okay, so we have come near to it. So looks like it's also turning down for another round of selling. So let's go down again. Okay, as we can see, all this. All right, all this. So we are looking into this area to take out this liquidity here. But however, the one of these support is here. Yeah. All right. Hi, Hubert. Oh, you just get connected. Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you. Do let me know if your connection is slow. Okay. All right. Okay. So yep, 17 pips. Okay. So for Aussie franc, we have about 17 pips there. So Aussie franc, we also can take a look. Okay. Yeah. So Aussie franc, we can also take note. Okay. Yes, Wasim. Without you, feel trading very difficult. Be with us, sir. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, keep it up. I know you can do it. All right. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Hi, Ed Josh. Nice to see you here, Ed Josh. Ed Josh, where are you from, Ed Josh? Currently, thank you so much for coming in. Looks like you are from Australia. Okay, we have Joshi boy from Australia, huh? Yeah. Oh, you're from India. All right. Namaste. Thank you for coming in. Namaste. All right. So, yeah, once again, okay. Yeah. You see, we have many people from all over the world. So I will be learning all different languages about hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon. Okay. Yeah. So I learned from many people from India in my channel, so I know what is called namaste. Okay, yeah, and I also know acha, correct. Okay, so yep. Anyway, come back here. Aussie yen, all right, Aussie yen over here. Today looks like the Aussie is pretty weak. So because I think Aussie has actually comes into to a point where it's actually coming near to the resistance level. Right, so we have let's look at this resistance level over up here first. Okay, as we can see this level here, all right, this level over here, we can see that they are actually resisted and actually coming in. Yeah, yes, Josh, thank you so much. Correct. Acha means good. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah, thank you for the sharing. All right, so yeah, do teach me more. Okay, I wish to visit India one day. Yeah, fast-moving economy country right now. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we have one more resistance over here, as we can see this range of a resistance over here, where one tested again to bring down the price, and now it has tested up once and got rejected harshly over here. So at this point here, all right, as we can see, all right, this part here, they are now retesting again and now coming back. We can see this is quite a good one. Okay, but let's go into details in H4. From this wave, as we can see, the buying is very strong until it comes to a point of this area here, and as we can see, it has already taken out the liquidity and now ready to go for another round of selling. Okay, so they have a balance of the market. So tentatively, we are looking into selling. Very nice clean traffic over here. So we can see now very good selling opportunity along the way, as we can see one of the support over here. Okay, one of the support over here. All right. Yep. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I am from God's own country name is Karela. Oh, I see. Hi, Steve. Why your cam face and channel photo is different? Do I look different? Which one look better? Photo or my cam face? Okay. Anyway, there's alright, so yeah, I hope I look better on my cam face than my photo. You know, right? Okay, Steve. Yeah, I think you know what it's called, the 美颜, right? Beauty cam, huh? Okay, but my photo has no beauty cam. I never use beauty cam on my photo. I want to look as real as my real person. Alright, so Aussie yen is another one. Okay, Aussie yen that we can take a look. Alright, yeah, I think that's pretty good also. Today Aussie seems like there's a lot of chance to sell down, but then we will just pick it out first. Then later we'll see, okay, if we have a good chance for selling. Generally for the Aussie Kiwi, alright, over at this point here, I will advise that the Aussie Kiwi to stay away. However, it is still sell down. Then let's take a look into details, where the details is going to show us over at this point here. All right, we still have quite a good space down here. All right, 1, 2, there's one little here. I think well, I guess for Aussie Kiwi we will skip first. Okay, we will skip this Aussie Kiwi. All right, because of the trading hours, so liquidity may be low, so I will just want to just avoid it. All right. Okay, so another one. Okay, another one over here. All right, another one. And over at this point here, as we can see, okay, as we can see over here, resistance for Aussie dollar. Yes, we have come to a point where we met up with the resistance. Seems like after meeting up with the resistance over here, it has taken out the liquidity as well and started to get rejection. Some rejections came in, retest again, and now going for another round of selling, which is good. Okay, so Aussie dollar, yeah, something to take note of. All right, so this is somewhere we are coming back into the point where the opening of the day. So we still have about 25 pips there. I guess this is still quite good. Okay, yeah, this is still quite good over here. All right, so next to go. Okay, next to go. We are going to take note. We are going to take note of this Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Well, okay, Euro Aussie over at this point here. Yes, Euro Aussie. Yes, Euro Aussie. I will see that Euro Aussie. Tentatively looking into Euro Aussie, we are still in the bull, correct? Escalating up very nicely to still going to look out for some resistance up here. Looks like, okay, looks like the resistance is actually coming in here and still, wow, looks like we have some resistance up there. Okay, so after the resistance has been tested, it started to swing down into the bear to create a bear market here. Well, let's take a look into the H4 over here. Right, we can see that it breaks through the support here. Now it's retesting the support as a resistance, right, over at this point here. Correct, it breaks through and now it is retracing upwards to retest this support as a resistance. And we are going down to take another round of support, which is quite low. Okay, which is quite low. I think which is pretty good over at this point here. We have 1.2 point. We have 1, 2, a few points here. Okay, let me take a look. All right. Okay, so yeah, we should be looking out here. All right. So I think there will be quite a good chance for Euro Aussie to continue the selling, provided if the resistance able to hold. Okay, so we can also take note, but this Euro Aussie seems like we need to monitor further before we can go for selling. Okay, before we can go for selling. All right, so yep, let's see. Okay, Euro CAD. As for Euro CAD over here, okay, Euro CAD over here, we may want to take a look at Euro CAD at this area here. Let me shrink down so that we can have a general picture where we can see, well, there's a interchange over here. Okay, selling interchange here. Well, prices came in and started to get rejected, and now the resistance hold it very well to create a selling for the past few days. Correct, for the past 1 week. And well, by looking into this, okay, but it also means to say that we also need to make sure, okay, we also need to make sure that the selling is also still in the momentum to sell further down. All right, then we can take a look at the support over here. Well, that's for the Euro CAD. Okay, that's for the Euro CAD. So over at this point here, Euro CAD. Over at this point here, you can see, all right, when it's actually coming into this area here, we still have a very good space down there. Okay, let's go into the details. Well, resistance, very nice resistance over here. Seems like a support over here. We still have a good space. And we have a price print over here that we need to take note. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, hi 168. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Yeah, finally, I'm back. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, all right. Okay, then we will be okay. So let's see over here. We still have about 100 pips to go. Euro CAD. So I'm waiting for Euro CAD to get some resistance. Okay, to get some resistance over here. All right, this area here, I can see there's one resistance. So we are actually staying in nowhere, no man land, whereby we are right in the middle. as you can see from here to here. Okay, so right now the support comes in 74 pips, down there 80 pips. We are right in the middle. So let's wait for the resistance to be tested first for the EuroCAD before we actually take action to continue the selling. All right, but for EuroCAD, yes, I think EuroCAD is still good for the selling. All right, okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put EuroCAD into my watch list. Then later on, let's see where we can go. Okay, yeah. Well, I'm going to skip Euro franc, Euro pound. Okay, so I'm going right into this. So I'm going right into this for Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen. Yeah. Okay, for Euro yen, and let's take a look Euro yen. Well, Euro yen over at this point here. Okay, Euro yen, same thing. I think we should be looking into one area here. Well, Euro yen seems like the bull is still in control. Okay, so tentatively, well, we can see that the Euro yen over here coming in and started to sell down, but generally we are still in the bull. Okay, we are still in the bull. So at the moment, if we are selling, okay, then we need to understand that this will only be a pullback. All right, this can be a pullback. So just take note. All right, this pullback maybe we are going into a selling, but it's an anti-trend trading. We are going against the trend. Okay, yeah. So in this case over here, all right, if you can see, it touches this area of resistance nicely, and it started to swing down. So this is my working line. So we can see that one here. Okay, we still have about 72 pips to go, well, before it hits on the resistance, and it may bounce back. As we can see over here, okay, with this wave here, all right, we still have plenty of space to take. All right, we still have plenty of space to take. So let's see if this is going to be right, the support over here. Okay, let's see. We have about 47 pips. Okay, so Euro yen, I think this actually come in this case, although it's against the trend, then but we can still see that, you know, it is actually okay. It is actually still we still have good space down there before it's looking for support. So we still have good space down there for it to come before it actually bounce back into the bull. Okay, yeah, and let's take a look. Okay, over here. All right, hey, what's wrong, man? Okay. Yeah, and Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi. For Euro Kiwi wise, okay, let's take a look. Euro Kiwi looks good, but we are very near to the support right now. Okay, let's take a look. Looks like Euro Kiwi. We still have about 100 over pips to go for Euro Kiwi. All right, so Euro Kiwi, I'm looking now. You can see from the resistance here, it started to sell down. Well, will it actually continue the selling down before we can see this? It looks like we are more to, if we are going for a selling, okay, if we are going for a selling, so looks like it's actually trying to take out, to test onto the resistance here, then it may start selling. It may take a while, I think. All right, so let's wait for a while and see how it goes. All right, for Euro dollar, let's take a look. Okay, Euro dollar, yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much for your patience. I know now my momentum is coming. Okay, so do listen hard. Okay, okay. So now let's go with this. Okay, if we are now coming into this area here, all right. For Euro dollar, well, Euro dollar good selling off when the bull coming in from, this is last year and this is this year that's coming in. All right, so looks like now we are actually into the trend interchange area. We are coming into the interchange area. So is it still good to sell down for this Euro dollar? In fact, I would say that it seems like this area here we are still we are still on the support side. So it doesn't looks like it's still good to sell. Okay, but it's also looking for a support, then probably we may look out for something to sell while it's looking for support, but we are still going against the trend. That's for the Euro dollar. Well, for Euro dollar wise, although I still see that we still have very good space there. Okay, so example like this area here, we have a good space down here, one round of this selling over here for 43 pips. Euro dollar, I think still okay, but do remember euro dollar, we are still against the trend. Okay, we are still against the trend. This is a pullback, so it's actually a retracement from the bull. All right, so we got to be careful if we are going to sell this euro dollar. Okay, if not, then it's okay. I think probably we may give it a miss first today. All right, I'm not going to put euro dollar into my watch list today, so let's watch tomorrow and see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, and for pound Aussie, well, pound Aussie looks like a pound Aussie. Let's shrink down and take a look. We can see that there are still a lot of resistance up there. Okay, we're still quite far away. So for pound Aussie, sorry, we are still in the bull. Then retracing downwards to pull back and go further up, pull back, and now go further up, and now it's the pullback to meet up with the support down here. Okay, so that it can continue the bull run. Well, in this case, okay, over here, then I think for pound Aussie, just give you a miss first, okay? All right. Okay, so over at this point here, well, let's see, over at this point here, we can see the pulling back now for the bull is running in the pound cat. So looks like the pound is actually recovering very well, steadily, okay? Then again, is that over at this area here, looks like, is pulling back to meet up with some support. Let's see if where is the support. Okay, let me see. This is the resistance area. Right, this is the resistance area. Quite near. Okay, and now that is the support. Okay, that's the support here. All right. Okay. Hi, Ashon. Hey, Josh. Okay, the goal, right? Okay, give me a little while. And Dipsy. Okay, give me a little while. I'm coming to the goal. Okay. Yeah, for pound cat, if we are going for the selling, in fact, we still have very good space, but this is against the trend. For now, okay, for now, it looks like it's against the trend as of now. Although we have some pullback for the past few days, but then again, is that I see that we still need more. We still need more time, okay, to reach out for the resistance and to see if the resistance able to continue the selling. Okay, for pound franc. As we can see, we are actually ranging in this area here, right? But this ranging is very big. From this area to this area, as you can see, is actually moving in a very gradual manner, okay, downwards. But as well as we can see, the consolidation is all in the same area here, and looks like it's still testing to break the support here. Can you see? Okay, so probably if I'm going for the selling, it may take a little while to break out, okay, before we actually go for the next one. Okay, so for pound franc, I'm going to skip this as well. Okay, let's take a look at pound yen. Well, pound yen over here, we are moving towards the north, correct? We are moving towards the north. Okay, so I know there's a lot of lines here. Okay, let's remove them. Okay, so I guess there are still some area over here. It has been taken out. Okay, I'm going to remove this area here. Right, so we still have some area here is also being taken out. Probably, yeah, let me check again. Yeah, our target here. This is my target, right? This was my target earlier on. So it has been taken out. So let me remove this as well. Okay, let me remove this rectangle. Okay, yep. Oops. Okay. Yep. Let me remove this. Okay, so over here, let's see. We have now come to a point where it tested into this area, taken out the liquidity, and now it's moving downwards. I would say that tentatively we are having a support here, but with this pound yen, we have very good selling space down there. Oh, so good. All right, it looks very, very good. Okay, so over here, as we can see from this area to the left, with all this green candle, it shows me something that is clean traffic. If there's a selling opportunity, it should drop very smoothly. All right, so I should be looking out into this area after it breaks the support retest, and I should be going for another 80 pips, 80. Okay, 80 pips. Okay, so that is for the pound yen. All right, so I'm going to put the pound yen into my watch list. Wow. Okay. All right. Pound Kiwi, let's take a look at Pound Kiwi. So Pound Kiwi, about Pound Kiwi over here looks like it's a bull. Well, the bull is actually coming into a support. So no, skip. Okay, no. Okay, so since it's coming to the support, then better not to. Okay. Yeah, and then let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah, pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar over here. Let's take a look. Pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, as we can see, pound dollar, we are still in the we are still in the bull, running very smoothly. So we should be going for a buy. So today for the pound dollar, we are setting up the support. My target here, okay, this is my target here to, since I think last non-farm. Okay, so I think they are still looking out for the resistance before it can come down for selling. So today for the pound dollar, it should be still more on the buy side. Okay, more on the buying side. So at the moment, okay, for this pound dollar, if there's a chance for selling, if only when there's a resistance to take out this balance here. Okay, this area here has not been fully taken out yet, so I'm still waiting for it to take out this area. All right, so still there's still a lot of chance there. Okay, there's still a lot of chance there. So probably I just want to drag a little bit more to this hour so that we know, okay, where are we looking out for. Okay, yeah. All right, so over at this point here for pound dollar, we can skip this, okay, for a while. Okay, let's see later on. Well, for hi, Merry Christmas. Well, we can focus all the yen pair, yeah. All the yen pair, huh? Probably, yeah. Okay, so let's take a look. Dollar CAD over here. Dollar CAD over at this point here, we can see, yeah, nicely rejected down. Okay, so we are coming for the selling. But then again, is that we hit on the support. Okay, the support has been tested once, and then it's actually going back again. So another area here that we want to take a look and do this area here. All right, so this area of resistance. So hopefully there's a chance for it to test on the resistance, and if the resistance able to hold, then we will have a chance for the selling. Okay, then we have a chance of selling. Yeah, slightly lower here. Okay, so let's allow it to test first before we take action. But for dollar CAD, generally, I will still say that, yeah, we are actually now coming into this area here. You can see it's a very big ranging here, am I right? And in this ranging here, it tested one level, and now it's going back to test on the low level, okay, of the ranging here. If you can see the chart, well, you will see this thing, correct? Can you see this way? Okay, I'm just helping you to see. It's very clear. So it hits on the top, it comes down to the bottom, it hits back again, come down to the bottom, hits back to the top, and come down to the bottom, and now we are hitting on the bottom. So what's next? Very likely it's going to move towards the north, okay? Or when it comes back to break the support, then we will be able to continue the selling. So if you're asking me, all right, I will be looking out to sell down after it breaks the support. Okay, so dollar CAD, I'm going to give this a miss. All right, so for dollar franc, let's take a look. Obvious? Yes, we are in the selling mode. Okay, that's very obvious. So over at this point here, we are now looking out for some support. Okay, the support, as you can see here, nicely. Okay, and the resistance is up here for this wave. Okay, 1, 2, wave up, and now it's coming back down here. Okay, so actually now we are coming to a support. There's a support area here. Okay, so let's wait for it to break this support before we can continue the selling downwards to take out the liquidity down there, which is about 43 pips. Okay, which is about 43 pips. So dollar franc, okay, looks pretty good to me. Okay, so I'm going to put this dollar franc into my watch list. Okay. All right, how about dollar yen? Dollar yen, yeah, dollar yen. Well, dollar yen looks like it's still in the selling, all right. But the thing is that I'm also quite initially, okay, I was looking for the past few weeks. I I was looking for the dollar yen as a buy. Okay, so actually, yes, I pump the buy. Okay, the buy is actually still going. Okay, at that point of time, right? So focusing on the buy until it reaches this resistance area here. Okay, so let's see if this is actually coming down. All right, coming down now. Yeah, but over here, as you can see, it came down and started to go back to test on the resistance once again, and then really coming back for the selling. Looks like highly likely. Okay, so today looks like a dollar yen still good for the selling. Well, the only thing that actually puzzled me is it hasn't break any structure. Okay, it hasn't break any structure in terms of this wave here. So I'm going to wait for this support to be broken. Okay, once this breaks down, retest, yes, I think there will be a good chance for the selling down about 100 pips. Okay, so let me put this solid support here. Okay, here. All right, then now current support over here, once it breaks through, we should sell down to the first clean traffic area here to balance out this market, and we should still stand about 74 pips there. I think it's still pretty good. Okay, it is still pretty good. Yeah. Okay, so dollar yen, I think that's one. Okay, that's for me that I will see that I will want to focus. Okay. Yep. Okay, so yep, and these are all what I'm going to focus. Okay, these are all what I'm going to focus, and let's see. Let me send it to the chat. Okay, let's look at your chat. Okay, take a look at your chat. These are what I have focused. I'm going to filter out, and I'm going to focus them. All right, then let's see if that helps. Okay, well, let me have a drink. Well, okay, I think that's pretty good. Hi, CK. Nice to see you here, CK. All right. Wow. Let's take a look at the gold now. Okay, let's take a look at the gold. Well, for the gold wise, okay, we can see that it seems like we are trying very hard to take out the previous high, which has been taken out, and now we are heading to 2000. Let me see. The high closed at 2080 exactly on my chart. Okay, on my chart, 2080. Haha. Wow, it's a new high. I guess yeah, this is a new high. Yeah. Okay, so looks like when it hits on the new high, many of us will be still thinking that we'll be thinking of selling it, right? Oh, it's a new high. Okay, now it should be rejecting down and start the selling. Well, probably, but I still see that there maybe there's a chance. Okay, maybe there's a chance. However, I see that maybe going into 1, 2, 3. Wow, the selling may be still there. But if the selling is there, okay, if the selling is there, I will be looking out for the target of about 1991. 1991, yeah, 1991. Okay, 1991. But then again, is that if I'm going for the selling 1991, I think we still have about 2019 of a support to go. Okay, it looks like it's a lot of pips out there, right? Wow. Okay, there seems like there's a lot of pips out there. So for this, okay, for the gold, first of all, right now is from this area here, as we can see, we are going towards the north, right? We are heading with this support here. It heads up again over here. I would say that the gold is going pretty strong, but there will be a point of time where it will start to pull back. But whenever there's a pullback, it also means that it is actually you are going against the trend. Am I right? So should we? Well, unless, okay, there's a very good space out there. Okay, although I'm looking at 1991, okay, but then again is that we should be also looking out for area like this. Okay, let me see. Yeah, 1991, although it's a very very promising one, that is very promising, but then again is that let's look at something nearer first. Okay, let's look at something nearer first rather than 1991, which is here. Okay, over here, somewhere here. Right, so somewhere here, this is what I'm looking out for. But then, well, after we break this, okay, then we should have a good chance for coming down for 2004. Okay, 2004. But this is going to be a long term, It's going to be a long term. So we have this resistance right now. If this resistance at 2029 able to hold, then I will see a good chance for selling down. All right. If not, it should be looking out to 2034. Okay, 2034 before it actually start the selling. 2034. Okay, 2034. 2034. That's for the goal. Okay. All right. That's for Josh and Dipsy. Okay. All right. So yep. And let's come in for this. Okay. Then we will be able to take a look. Okay. Now let's take a look. Yeah. Hi, Khatib. Nice to see you here, Khatib. All right. We have plenty of things to do. Plenty of stuff to go. Yeah. Never rest. Yeah, Hubert. Hi, Sabrina. Thank you so much for coming in. Yeah. Thank you. You're most welcome. Hey, Josh. Thank you very much. Yeah, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think it will be a great one. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes. I'm heading to 100,000, so do share my channel. Okay, guys, thank you so much. All right, so yes, let's come back here. Let's take a look. What are we looking at? Okay, yeah, joking. Yeah, all right. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Well, 27,000 on the Bitcoin, all right, and okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, and looks like this is going to be previously we hit quite a good one. Okay. Okay. Yes. Can you explain SMC? What do you mean? What do you mean by explain SMC? Which area? Okay, so over here, over at this point here, 28K, 28,000. It hits about 30 and then swing back on the Bitcoin. Yeah. I would say that the Bitcoin, if you're asking me about technical analysis on the Bitcoin, seriously, I'm not very into it. So I'm not very good with that. Okay. So, but then again, is that Bitcoin, I think probably you have to wait for a while. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Hi, Danny and Rebecca. Yes. Morning. Good morning to you. Do you have another chat except YouTube? Yes, I do have. Yes, I do have. Yeah. Yeah, that's why sometimes we may experience some some break. I think some network bandwidth breaking down. I'm not sure. It's supposed to work well. Okay, but I'm not sure sometimes. Yeah. Okay. And do you have another chat except YouTube link? Oh, do you mean any private chat or something like that? I'm sorry. I think I didn't manage to get what you mean just now. Okay. well, over here. Okay. From here, yeah, from here, maybe you can, yep, over here. And I'm actually building this, you know what, this, what do you call, what do you call, the Discord, right? Discord, yeah. Okay, I see people asking analysis, but don't see written on YouTube. Oh, I see. Yeah. Because some was on the Zoom, some on the Facebook, and yeah. So that's the reason why. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's. Okay. Okay. Yes, Kati. Oh, yes. How the institutional traders trade, huh? Okay. Well, I would say that over. Well, if you're talking about that, okay. Okay, hang on. Let me see. Okay. Yep. Let's see. Well, I think there are many, let's say for pound dollar. Okay, let's say for pound dollar. Okay, so I would say that where you have to, there are many people talking about this smart money. Okay, so which area are talking about the smart money? Where the area that you're asking is about how the institutional traders trade. Am I right? Okay. There are many people with different understanding. Okay, but one thing for sure. Okay, you have to identify. Okay, the area that where the smart money comes in. Okay, then that is where they take action. Okay, that's a very main point. Okay, if you are able to identify example. Okay, things like okay, where is the supply, okay, and where's the demand. Okay, usually with this, all right, from the perceptions of the retail trader. Okay, we able to tell where the smart money is going. Okay, right. So as you know, supply and demand, all right, supply and demand. So you can see there are some supply area, demand area, for example, supply area, demand area. So when the price is low, it's actually there are a lot of demands. Okay, so after the demands is taking out of the supply, then will it actually become an oversupply? Okay, then from there, during the demand, from the demand, okay, during the price that actually the market comes into a demand, we know where is it going to the supply. Okay, so that is where the smart money will start to move. So first of all, you have to this is how actually we actually are able to identify. Okay, this is one way. Okay, this is one way. So other than that, there are also many other ways where you will see which are the areas in the past actually leaving a trace for the smart money to come in. Okay, so we have to identify that as well. Okay, so for example, like why am I plotting this box here? Okay, why am I plotting this box here as a profit? Okay, which was plotted in the beginning of the May. Okay, is it beginning of May? Yeah, so past few days, right? Okay, last week, yeah. So why am I plotting this and expecting it to come in this week, which is today, this morning, or yesterday? All right. So we are actually identifying where are the areas. Okay, where are the areas where the smart money is actually going into. Okay, going into. So with that, we will be able to tell where for me, with that I will see, okay, where is it going, and then I will wait for, if it's going downwards, right, okay, and I will wait for a good chance that it's going for the selling, right, then I will continue then I will go for the selling into that area, okay. So it's nothing new for the smart money, okay, but then again is that it always comes in a very different manner, okay. So we just have to be very attentive to what the market is reacting. Then from there, we will be able to tell, for me, myself, will be able to tell where it is going. That is one step. Then second step, then I will look out for my trading structure. If it's going on to the buy side, okay, to the supply area, then I will go for I will look out for the buying signal, okay, to clear off the area to reach, okay, into the supply area. Or if it's going for selling, if the supply is if the supply from the market now, which area is the area that where the market is actually having a demand, okay, then I will go for the selling. Okay, so this is a concept that I'm looking on that. All right, so I'm trained that way. So do voice out if you have a very different way of looking at it. Well, okay, we can share, and we can actually learn from each other. All right, okay, so interesting, am I right? Yeah, so these are all very interesting ideas, you know, where it actually comes in. Then we will need to know, okay, how it goes, you know. Yeah, all right, okay. Okay, so right here, also let's see, yeah. Okay, now just now we are talking about what are some of the currency pairs that I will say that it will be good to actually to stay focused. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me pin it. Okay, yeah, pin it. Yeah, okay, that's good. Now we are there. Okay, so let's think about dollar yen. Let's see dollar yen. All right, let's see dollar yen. All right, so for the dollar yen, okay, I think dollar yen looks like today, okay, is good. It's still considering good. Okay, for dollar yen, yeah, 1, 2, this area here, the support has been tested once over and into this area. So let me go into it. 1, 2 over here is not clearing off. Then we still have one more here. It's tested once. Okay, so for dollar yen, I'm waiting for the breaking of this support. Okay, so once it breaks through, then we will move for a selling, which I see there's still a very good space down there for about a 50 pips. Okay, a 50 pips. Okay, so 50. Yeah. Okay, 50. Yes. Okay, so that's one. Okay, that's one. Okay. Yeah. Let's take a look. I think that should be quite okay. Yeah. Yes. Guys, if you have any question, do feel free. Okay, do feel free to voice out your questions. Okay. Well, meanwhile, let's take a look at this area here. All right. We are actually going. Yeah. Let's see. It looks like more to what over at this point here. Yeah. No. Okay. Tentatively is supposed to be, yeah, it looks like it's still being supported, huh? It looks like it's still being supported. So Be patient. As we can see from here, okay, this area here, we are still on the support and still trying to break below and retest this area to continue the selling down. We still have about 80 pips there, so I guess it's still pretty good. Okay, it's still pretty good. Yeah. Okay, so the next one that we'll be looking out is the let's see. Dollar franc. Let's take a look at dollar franc. Dollar franc start tested on the support now. We're still waiting, same as dollar yen. So tentatively no. Well, guys, if you have any good currency pairs to watch over, do let me know. All right. Okay. Hi Forex New Way. Yes. Looking to short at midline of Asian range for dollar yen. Okay. Over here, let's take a look at dollar yen. Let's see. Ooh. Estimate about this. It should be this area here, huh? Okay. This area here. Okay. This is the mid area here. Yes. Please skip the dollar yen. Why is that so? 168. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Well, let's see. Okay. We can pay attention to this area here, but I think this is also quite a good area here. We are looking into this area here. I see dollar yen, huh? Dollar yen. I think this dollar yen, like what Forex New Way was saying, that yeah, this is one area here also. Okay, we can pay attention to that area. So let's move this 133,900. Okay, let me move this support up here first. Okay, let's see. We have one support over here. Then let's move this down first to this area of resistance. Okay. Yes. Which area? Well. This may also be a trending, huh? Yeah, it also looks like it's going to have a trending market over here. 1 2 1. Okay, the breaking of the structure here I think it's quite good, where it actually starts selling over here. Start selling down here, pull back a bit, selling, creating another lower low, and then hits on this, and now coming another low. We are pushing up another area here. Yeah. From this area here. Okay. Yeah. You have to be careful selling dollar yen at 134.67. Held as low on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, let's take a look over here. Okay. Yeah. Over at this point here. 134.67. Okay, over here. Yeah, okay, so over at this area here, huh? Okay, good. All right, thank you so much. Pound dollar is selling off. Well, let's take a look. Pound dollar, oh, because one thing over here, yeah, once the market opened over at this area here, tested onto this area here, it's not breaking, and now it started to sell down. Well, it looks like this area here, huh? Okay, so well, let's see, because for pound dollar, if we are looking into this area, well, it looks like it's still pushing back into my targeted area here, huh? Okay. Let's see. Will it actually comes into any area here that it will start the selling? Okay, over this point here, looks like the selling. If okay, if you are going to continue the selling, let's say if you are going to continue the selling over here, don't sell now. Okay, this is very low. Okay, where we need the key levels to sell. Okay, we need a resistance to sell. All right, so hang on first. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, let's wait and see how it goes. Yeah. Okay. Well, once again, pound yen. All right, pound yen as well. Okay, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen over at this point here looks like it has the last hour here tested into this area here. Then we can see, okay, into, let's take a look at M5 over here. I'm looking into M5 over here to see. Looks like the resistance unable to hold it well. Okay, for the last 20 minutes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 minutes. Okay, so they are trying to come back into the, yeah. So buying is still buying for now. Buying, I think, likely. Okay, they are looking out for another resistance before it actually going for the selling. If pound is going to sell down, then 170 to 37, 170 to 37, 130, 37. Okay, so about this area. Okay, about this area here. Okay, then to 140, 170, 47. Okay, has to hold, otherwise we'll be going up to break the Asian high. Yep. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. Okay, thank you. And let's see. Aha. Okay. All right. Okay, so you should be looking out into this whole area here. All right, this area. Okay. Yeah, mine was about here. Okay, it's about here. Okay, so there's a good chance there. Yeah. So once it tested into this area, then if this able to hold, I think it will still be good. Okay. Yeah. 170.38 is was the market open price. Okay, over here. Aha. Okay. Well, we can see that everyone can see. All right. Okay, that's still good over at this point here. Okay, that's one. Okay, well, that's pretty good. The good pointers, guys. Okay, so just take note of these pointers as well. Okay. Right, and for now, okay, we should be, let's see how it performs. We test, and then after that, okay, yeah, Yeah, I bought it yesterday. Okay, you bought it yesterday. Yesterday. You mean for pound yen? Yesterday. But you buy yesterday. You bought it yesterday, and which price did you go in? 168. 168. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Looks like oh, dollar yen, UJ. Okay, dollar yen. Let's take a look. Dollar yen. You bought yesterday. Okay. You buy, huh? Which area you buy? Let me see. 134.7. I think it's about 134.7. Maybe you bought it in a 134.7. Yeah. Pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar. Pound dollar may start to sell now. Okay, let's take a look at pound dollar. All right. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Pound dollar over here, huh? Okay. Pound dollar may start to sell now. Looks like quite good over here. Okay. There may be a good chance. But yeah, okay. I still see myself. Okay, myself. This morning when I'm looking at it, I'm looking at this pound dollar. Whether it has a chance to actually to clear, to go to 126 or maybe 127. All right, 127, 126.9 to 127. Yeah, there may be a good chance there. Yeah. Okay. So probably, yeah. However, right now, seems like the pound dollar is looking for resistance very soon. Okay. There may be a good chance for selling for Forex New Way, correct? Because I think we are looking into this area here, correct? Okay. Looking for a low around 125.93, 125.93. Okay, let's see. Okay, 125.93, 125.93. Yeah, I think should be around here. 125.93. Okay. Yeah, I think it should be around here. Mine was 125.97. There may be a little slight difference. Yeah. Okay, for the pound dollar, yeah. Okay, so now the pound dollar over into this range here. Okay, we can see now it's actually, it looks like it's going to form another lower highs over here to continue the selling, another round of selling maybe. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Looks like let me take a look. Wow, looks like looks like today the pound dollar, the selling is very also quite possible, huh, as of now. Okay, as of now. Better selling range should be 126.42. Okay, 126.42 to 126.52. Okay, so let's see, 126.42 to 126.52. Okay, over here. Okay, so about here. Okay. Then 126.42. Okay, it should be around this area here. Yeah. Okay. Yes. All right. Yeah. Okay. So it should be around this area here. Okay. So looks like it's going to sell straight down to take out the Asian low. I mean, over here. Okay, let's see. Now we still have about 12 pips to go. Looks like now. Okay, it looks like the pound dollar is actually started to, yeah, it looks like started to sell down now. Yeah, to take this low. Then after that, there may be a good chance. We'll see how it goes. After it take out the lows, then probably. Okay. Let's see, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen should be moving towards the mid range. Okay, the middle range here. Yeah. Okay, so we are getting near, and there's some rejections as we are approaching this area here. We can see the rejections over here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah, dollar yen, yes. Dollar yen still rising. Yep. Okay. Agreed. Okay. So pound dollar, and that's one. Well, it's pushing hard. For the pound yen, oh, pound yen. Looks like pound yen also. Pound yen also. Yes. Hi, Roger. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Yep. And, well, pound yen. Let's see, pound yen. Oh, looks like the pound yen also. Pound yen, is also looks like pound yen is going to take the low as well. Pound dollar also going to take the low. Wow, well. Okay, well done. Okay, very good. Seems like it is still good, going strong. Very nice. Okay. Yeah. Let's wait. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's too low for me to go on the selling. If unless you are going for a good scalping here, okay, I guess pound dollar is still going very nicely. It's still selling nicely downwards. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Gold have a range of 2028, looking for 2015 to be taken out. This is yesterday Asian low. Okay, let's take a look at the gold. Okay, so 2015. Okay, 2015 should be here. All right. Okay, so 2015. Okay, around here. Yeah, so the gold is still looking out for that. Okay, looks good. Okay, it looks good as well. Pound dollar. Okay, yes. No, for me, I'm not going to enter for the pound dollar myself because the price is a bit too low. Okay, the price is a bit too low for now. Okay, so probably no. Yeah. Okay. Hang on. Anyway. Yeah. Which one? I think I think I will wait for a while. Okay, let's see. Let me see if there's a good chance there. 1, 2. We are coming into this turbulence area here, where this turbulence area can be a little bit tricky. Yeah, it can be a bit tricky here. Okay, and let's see over here. 1, 2. There's one area here. Pound dollar. We still have 30 pips to go. 40. Okay, about 30 to 40 pips to go. Looks like by looking at this, it seems like still pretty good. Okay, so if there's a chance later on, yeah, if later on there's another round of selling, then maybe, yeah, then maybe. Okay, yeah, pound dollar may get support now around the middle of Asia. Okay, let me see. Okay. Yeah, some support. Yeah, support is coming in. All right. Yes. Yes, the support is coming in. Yeah. Looks like it's coming in, huh? Okay, hang on first. All right. Importantly is that we know where it is going. Then come up with a plan to where's the entry. Okay. Then I think that will be better. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The middle is 12614. Okay. 12614 over here. Okay. So this area here is actually coming into this area here. Okay, let me see. Okay, so here, about here, huh? Okay. Right, max volume is 12612. Okay, 12612 over here. Okay, they're all pretty near, huh? Yeah. So hang on first. What is that? The bank holiday yesterday was so exciting, but today it looks like more onto the boring side. Many currency pairs was actually coming into where it's supposed to buy and sell. Is it? I don't get you. Okay, let's see. Yeah. In terms of the pound dollar wise, okay, seems like once the UK open, okay, this one, I will say that this area here, I want to clear this area, so I'm still looking out for some good selling opportunity there. You get what I mean? Yeah. So that it can clear the area. I see there may be a good chance that I clear this area here. If this is going to hold as a support, okay, then I see that the buying of the pound dollar is highly likely. If I'm going to continue the selling right now, I think the selling journey can be quite tough. Okay, it can be quite okay, it can be quite tough, can be quite quite slow. You get what I mean? Yeah. Okay, so is I would say that for now, maybe if we are selling, okay, if we are selling from here, this area here, right, then we can see that 16 pips. So it's about it's more onto like a good way to scalp it. But then again, is that okay? I don't have a very good selling entry. Okay, but it seems like it's coming. Okay, let's see if that comes. Okay, if the selling entry comes in, then yeah, I think yes, we can consider a selling. All right. Okay. Yeah, let's Today is not the right day to trade. Why? Perhaps in the New York session. Yeah, perhaps in the New York session. I see that this New York session should have quite a lot to go. Okay. Yeah. Where? Which area? Dollar yen. Dollar yen. We are approaching into this area here. Then pound yen. Pound yen. Oh, it hits on this area here, huh? Okay. We are still trying to break the support. Personally, I think, okay, if once we break the support, okay, so likely we should have about, we don't really have a lot of space down there, but no, sorry, we do have a lot of space down there, but along the way we have some turbulence area we need to take note. Okay, we still have to take note of the turbulence area. Yeah. Okay, sure. Okay, pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Yes, what's your question here? Pound dollar. If there's another resistance area around 1261 here. I think over here there may be a good chance. Yeah, I think there will be a good chance. Selling down, I still have about 16 to 20 pips. 16 to 20 pips down there. But the thing is that I have to see if the resistance able to hold. Yes. The only one. Hi, nice to see you here. The only one. Okay. Yep. Right now, okay. We are still waiting. If I'm going for the pound dollar, okay, if the resistance able to hold, okay, then I will go for a selling. Okay, but there's no selling signal yet. It's still being supported. So tentatively it will retrace upwards a little bit. Okay, then we will see if the resistance able to hold it down. Then I will go for the selling. Okay, yeah. Right, so let's see. Okay, over here. Yeah, still waiting. I'm still waiting. Okay, no action taken for the pound dollar yet. Okay, so for dollar yen, we are waiting for 135 to hold as a resistance first. For pound, that's for dollar yen, right? Now it's for pound yen. Pound yen over here. Okay, pound yen. The selling, it looks like, from yesterday, it hover and then comes back to the bottom here. Okay, then over at this point here. Yeah, okay. How long you will hold the trade? How long will I hold the trade? It depends. It depends on the market. It depends on the market. Yeah. Okay. It depends on the market. If I'm holding a trade and the market is still showing that my trade is still within my targeted area, my range. If I'm a seller. Okay, I'm a seller. So if the market is still showing the selling is still there, yes, I will still continue to hold the trade. Sometimes, when it comes so slow, it may hold up to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, okay, or even an hour, depending on how many pips you intend to get, okay? Yeah. So for pound dollar right now, like this, okay, like this, it looks like it's good to go for a selling, huh? It looks like it's good for a selling. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Pound dollar, it looks like it's good for selling. Okay, pound dollar is creating another lower highs here. Okay, so looks good. It looks good. Okay. Pound dollar. Right, pound dollar. Okay. Yeah. Pound dollar, it looks like it's good for selling, huh? Okay. Pay attention to pound dollar, okay? If there's a selling, it should, I'm looking into this area here. Okay, it should have about 15 to 16 pips. So it's a quick scalp, huh? Quick scalping, huh? Okay, yeah. I think this pound dollar should be looking pretty good. Okay, so yes, pound dollar shows the rejections is there. Shall we wait for the candle to close? Yes. For me, I will. For me, I will. For such a situation here, huh? Okay, because you know, like just now, Forex New also shared with us that this is the middle range of the Asian, and just nice as it's also at the opening, and we also have the max volume over at this area here. So you know, seems like there's a lot of things in this area. So that's why you know you can see the turbulence there. Correct. Uh-huh. Okay, so there's a turbulence there. So of course, in such a situation, it will be good that we also pay a little bit of attention to make sure it's a favorable entry rather than we just gamble into it. Okay, all right, yeah. You don't have to wait for me. If you think that it's good, then if you want to enter, yeah, you can. Yeah, you can also go. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yes, so just take a look at that area. Yeah. We can, of course, naturally, okay, naturally, we can, sorry, what did I say? If your entry, okay, if your entry, okay, is there and you want to go, please, you may go, okay? Right. Yeah. No worries, no worries. Okay, no worries. Yeah. For pound dollar, it looks pretty good. Okay, it looks pretty good. Okay, and let's see. I'm checking on this pound dollar. Okay. Yeah, pound dollar. Let's see. Yeah, okay, pound dollar. Yes, I'm looking at pound dollar. Prefer to wait for a retest. That's also fine. That's also okay. Yeah, that's also okay for the pound dollar, right? Okay. Yeah. Pound dollar should be good. Because for pound dollar, I'm looking out to clear this area. Okay, so from here to here, now we have about 9 pips to go. Okay, pound dollar, yeah, should be quite okay if you want to wait for the retesting. Okay, then after that to swing down again, then will be another like example like this. It may goes up this way. Okay, then after tested the area, then you will start to swing down once again. Okay, yeah. But of course, what I want to say is that there's one point that you have to bear in mind. Okay, as a trader, sometimes though the price may not retest the resistance, then it may just start to swing down immediately. Am I right? It may start to swing down immediately. So if it swing down immediately to hit the target, okay, please don't chase the price. Okay, please don't chase it. Okay, even after it actually comes into this area here, huh? Okay, don't chase the low. Always remember, don't chase the low. Okay, that's very important. All right, yeah. Okay, so that's 1 point. Okay, that's 1 point there. Yeah. Okay. One. What do you mean? 5. Okay. I think after it clears this area, okay, then probably we may want to. I see. Let me check. Okay, so probably we may be looking out into this area. We have a support here. Then this area after it may still go down a little bit. Yeah, it may still go down a bit more. Yeah, it may still go down a bit more to take this. There's a total of after that we may have another 20 pips to go. Okay, there may be another 20 pips to go. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Start selling down. Yeah. Okay. So okay, for Flora, okay, please don't chase. Please don't chase. Okay. If you didn't enter, please don't chase. Okay, because you are waiting for the retesting. Am I right? Okay, you are waiting for retesting into 1, 2. Let me check. 12608. Okay, around here. Around here. Okay, around here. Okay, around here. So you may want to, if you please don't chase now. You wait for it to retest. Okay, try not to chase. Okay, try not to chase. Okay, yeah, this is what I meant by just now. I'm waiting for a selling opportunity. Yeah, I'm waiting for a selling opportunity. So that's what I meant by selling opportunity. Okay, so just now was here, right? Just now. Okay, just now we were talking about this area here. Okay, so it started to go up. I'm waiting for it to test onto the resistance, but it did not test into that resistance. It started to form another lower highs. Okay, so this area here, once it closed below the previous candle, for me, then there will be over here. Okay, all right, yeah, okay. Okay, so do not enter any selling now. Okay, then do not enter any selling now. You are chasing the low. Cannot enter now. Okay, yeah. As I said, my targeted area, this box for people who are new to me. Okay, this box here, this rectangular box is my targeted area. All right, so I am actually putting this area here. So now it's taken out. Okay, may not. Okay, unless it breaks below to form another selling. Okay, there may be a chance. Okay, but if you just now your plan is to wait for the retest like Flora. Okay, then Flora over there, please wait for it. Don't chase the low. Okay, all right. So please don't chase the low. That's very important. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No, bottom is near. Okay, bottom is near. All right, then maybe a bounce. Okay. Yeah. Wasted bonus wave. This wave. Okay. If the price did not retest into the resistance area up there, and it created another lower highs over here. Okay, another lower highs over here. All right. Okay, so that if you are going for fast scalping over into this area here, okay, I think that's still pretty okay. Yeah, all right. Yeah, for those who didn't enter, never mind. Okay, yeah, and I think that's also quite okay. Yeah, then since this one it has taken out these profits, this box here. Okay, yeah, then I'm going to clear this. Okay, let me check first. We still there's still another round. Yeah. We still have many chance. Okay, we still have many chance. Okay, GUTP Bradley. Okay, congratulations. Okay. well catch. Okay. Very good. Okay, so maybe, yeah. Well, it's okay. Let's see. Okay, let me see. Let me take a look. Okay. Let me see if this 1, 2. Okay. Hey, what's going on? Can you still hear me? 还听得到我说话吗？ That's funny. Well, what's going on? Ah, 你听得到吧 ？OK， 好的，那很好。OK，good。OK，好的。Hey. Oh my god. What's wrong? What is wrong? hang 咗。诶，怎么停下来了？Hi. Can anybody hear me? 只有你听得到诶哈。我这里好像有一点问题耶，全部都停下来。哦，You can hear me, Flora? OK。哈。Oh What's the happening, man? What's the happening? What's the happening? That's weird. That's very weird. Yeah. Funny, right? Yeah, I can see all of you here. Yes, but I cannot. But the rest looks like the rest of the platform. Oh, I got disconnected. Well done. I got disconnected. Yeah. Hey man, what is this? That's weird. Very weird. Ah, okay. 真奇怪的。Okay, never mind, guys. Let me continue. For those who can still see me, and